So this has been an international two-day summit. Yesterday we had the IP workshop with Madison Squire, and it was a very active and engaging event with about 40 companies, I think, all exploring their IP strategy options with expert guidance. And then today we had the International Conference Day. There was a lot of learning for the participants here today on how IP is a critical part of the growth opportunity for their companies and how all companies need to implement an IP strategy that's fit for their purposes. So this event attracts a very diverse audience. We had multinationals, startups, SMEs, private practice, public policy, academics coming to this event, and it's an example of how innovation and intellectual property is an important subject for so many different stakeholders.
Hi, I'm Saoirse Kennelly, Licensing Manager of Perry Ellis International. I was on a panel discussion this morning talking with solicitors. I'm not a solicitor myself, but it was really interesting to hear their viewpoints. They had a lot stronger points than I did in terms of legal standpoint, but it's very interesting, and I think I brought in a different perspective from the fashion and branding industry as opposed to legal. So I do think it's very interesting for other people in the branded retail and fashion industry to come and learn more about IP and trademarks the summit next year.
I thought I knew quite a lot about this job, but from today I've learned quite a lot of wisdom from other people as well.
Hi, so I'm Brendan Gulday. I'm a practicing barrister here in Dublin. I've attended mainly as a speaker. In the room you could kind of see the various audience members picking up on almost every single thing that each of the panelists said. So there was a diverse panel, but also really very much a diverse audience, kind of really engaging with the material. And then it was great at the end of the panel to have kind of a Q&A from the floor. It's not just a networking event. People aren't here just to network for the sake of networking. They're kind of here to kind of share ideas and discuss maybe a problem that an investor might have.